Ready?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To
But
you.
wait.
Happy birthday.
Who broke the lamp, Edie? Do you know who broke the lamp?
Oh, Mommy found out. I don't know.
You don't know?
Run.
I'm a beatboxing prodigy.
Ready?
Please accept my kiss. Wait a minute.
Huh?
Sorry. I feel dizzy. I'm going to step down in a cool way. I cannot stop laughing. Oh, hi, buddy. Scream that I love you. This piano is beautiful. I will try to play it.
Huh?
Oh my god, I don't think it works like that. Help me, I can't move.
I can't stop laughing, it's just too funny.
Ready? Run.
Dad, I want Mom.
Run.
What? I didn't do anything. Please give me some of your hair. No one plays with me. I'm so angry. Look at me. This is right. Hi, Mom. I just got bathed by my brother. Come on, believe in your dad.
Which toy are you gonna play with?
It's hard to choose. Dad scared me.
Yes, it does.
I'm done. Let's go, sister.
Give it here. Give me have it. Let me have
It's
it.
paycheck time.
Give it to me.
Well done, Dad.
Thank you.
I I drink too much tonight.
Dylan, you okay?
I swear that's not my sound.
Oops.
Successful prison break.
Okay.
Tell Daddy bye.
Bye-bye. Hey.
Oops.
Those cards good, buddy?
Is that gonna win?
Oh, your card is so good. You win for sure.
I'm not betting again.
That's how he shows his love.
Sorry, but I'm so hungry.
Oh my goodness!
Sit still, buddy. You have to believe me.
Run.
Ready?
How big are you? So big! How big are you? So big! Oh.
Oh no, we have to go. I'm gonna cry. Yeah. Is that cold? Yeah, it's cold, huh?
Mama.
Huh?
Ma. Ma.
Good job. Will be surprised. Oh, baby, the pillow is no.
You want Binky? You want Binky? Henry, do you want Binky?
Who are you calling to?
Oh wow.
Huh?
You guys are in big trouble.
Catch him, Mama. Come here.
Gracie, No, no. Don't get in that food. Gracie? No, no. Don't.
My love.
No, slide down.
Go, go, go. Wait.
Oops.
Good down. Okay, sit down. Sit down. 3, 2, 1. Go!
Can I see something?
Nope.
Heartwarming baby.
Let me see. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
The remote! No, get Coraline, give me the remote. It's mine. It's mine.
Her expression changes. Wow, good job. They're doing a hours.
Are you dancing to Miss Rachel? What just happened?
Oh, this is serious.
I'm sexy and I know it.
I believe I can.
Okay.
Oops.
Where's the child?
Where's Kaya?
No.
Kaya.
What?
Kaya. There she is.
Wow. He used his leg. Shake the whole body. Happy baby boy.
Two, three, four, five, six.
Way so rock.
No, 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 no.
Try. Enter. Yellow.
Oops.
Okay.
Is that a funny face?
Okay, go.
In their tongue, he's Dovahkiin, Dragonborn.
Did you do all this?
I guess it's for the dog. Oh my god.
No, you don't like those.
He doesn't know. Get out there. I know this story. It's Cutest. So famous. Babies are with carrot. Box
Okay.
by herself.
Oh no.
A good actor with the future.
Go, baby.
Oh my god, poor baby.
I'm gonna eat you. Only fun.
Yummy, yummy.
Good job, you clean up. Oh my god.
In their tongue is dovahkiin. Dragon Ball.
What are you doing? Sam.
Oh my god. You need to clean it.
Oops.
What?
This may be a competition.
Don't hit that belly.
No.
Don't hit that belly. Don't do it.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Look.
What are you
have
doing?
to steer.
And no drinking and driving.
Oh my god, put it down.
I don't want to hear your excuses. You can't have beer. Oh no! Here, can I help you? Look. There, can you grab it?
Yes, I'm going to go in the dog bowl. See, you're not doing anything about it, Nene. Oh.
If I'd known, it's okay. You don't have to apologize. You haven't done it. Please. Just stop.
No, just stay at home. Oh, he's stuck.
Hi, silly goose.
What?
Oh, you're like a cat. With a fist in your mouth.
Where you go? Where you going? No!
Yay, ice cream!
Eating very happy. Oh. So funny.
Yeah. Oh, watch out. Whoop!
Go. Where'd it go? I don't know. Let me get it. Let me get it out of your...
That's 4. That's 5.
Stop it!
Don't tease your mother. Wow, this is
Are you asleep? Good night!
Hi, honey. Can you put your leg down?
Nope.
Put your foot down. No?
Excuse me. What are you doing?
what are you looking for?
You.
Happened. Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't know that. What else
But you're
happened?
still so cute. Oh, who put it in your legs and your hand?
Huh?
Maybe the first birthday, so he tried to eat his birthday cake.
Blake.
Even
Blake.
though he's so
Hey,
small.
Bubba.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Leave it there.
Let's go!
They're playing the bike. Wow. They spit out weather. Help him, please.
Catherine, what'd you do?
Oh,
Did you get some flour?
he's so angry
Lucy,
because it's his name.
what'd you get? What'd you get, baby? Oh, you're cleaning up?
Are you stuck?
Maybe it'll go
You need help?
some grass.
Try to get out.
What are you doing? I was just using the bathroom and you just come out like this.
Charlotte, what are you doing? Is that brownie surprise good?
Is that really funny? It's not good.
Oops. What's wrong with you?
Hey! What'd you do? No!
That's not a bathtub. How'd you get in there? No, it's not funny.
No,